Rista Sejajornen. Hello and welcome in High Valyrian. Yeah, I'm studying High Valyrian Duolingo because I'm a nerd that really loves House of the Dragon and Game of Thrones. Anyways, come with me today as we put together Rhaenyra's gown. We are going to cut the fabric today. We're going to flat line. We're going to serge those edges, and I think we have enough time to seam up the gown. Let's do it. This is the base of the dress. It's completed, or at least seamed together. So the next things I'll be doing is the overlay on the front and the godet down here, and then we get into detail work. So I hope you're enjoying the process. We're about to really start to dive in.